10 full body workouts. This is day one of doing 10 full body workouts for your abs, chest, arms, legs to build your fitness. The first one is the toy soldiers. The second is the pie squats. The third workout is knee to elbow crunches. The fourth workout is the floor tricep dip. That's how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth workout is the Spider-Man push-up. The sixth is the decline push-up. The seventh is the backward lunge. The eighth push-up is the Superman. Ninth workout is the windshield wipers. Then is the V crunches. Please like and subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Thank you.